Listen closely in this. We're going to reveal how exactly people make money online and get rich. Welcome to the digital age, where the World Wide Web isn't just about socializing and entertainment. It's a vast ocean of opportunities, brimming with ways to earn a flexible and potentially lucrative income. From the comfort of your home, you can tap into platforms like YouTube, engage in digital marketing, try drop shipping, or utilize Facebook to line your pockets with digital gold. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of online money-making. One of the most popular platforms for making money online is YouTube. Indeed, YouTube has become a veritable goldmine for content creators around the world. Your journey to YouTube monetization begins with creating your own channel. Think of your channel as your personal brand or online identity. It's a space that you can customize and make uniquely your own. So, make it engaging, interesting, and reflective of the content you plan to offer. Next, you need to consistently produce engaging content. Why consistent? Because the key to growth on YouTube is regular uploads. And why engaging? Because the more your audience engages with your content, the more YouTube's algorithm favors you, leading to better visibility and more subscribers. So, always aim to create content that will captivate your audience and keep them coming back for more. Speaking of audience, growing your audience is a vital part of the journey. Engage with your viewers, respond to their comments, and build a community around your channel. Remember, your viewers are not just numbers, they're people, and people like to feel connected. The larger and more engaged your audience, the better your earning potential. Now, let's talk monetization. There are several ways to monetize your YouTube channel. You can enable ads on your videos, which will generate revenue based on the number of views and interactions. You can also offer channel memberships, where your subscribers pay a monthly fee for exclusive perks. Another option is the merchandise shelf, which allows you to sell your own merchandise right from your channel page. Finally, there's the YouTube Partner Program. This is the big leagues. Once you've reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months, you can apply for the program. As a partner, you can earn revenue from ads, channel memberships, and the merchandise shelf. Plus, you get access to additional features and resources. And that's how you can start earning from YouTube. But it doesn't end there. The world of online monetization is vast and ever-evolving. So keep exploring, keep learning, and keep pushing the boundaries. After all, the sky's the limit when it comes to making money online. Another effective way of making money online is through digital marketing. Now, digital marketing is an umbrella term that covers several strategies. It's like a Swiss Army knife for the modern entrepreneur. Let's explore a few of its tools. First off, we have social media marketing. This involves promoting products or services on social media platforms. It's all about engaging with your audience, creating relationships, and building trust. You can offer your social media marketing skills as a service to businesses, or you can use your prowess to promote affiliate products, earning a commission for every sale made through your unique link. Next up, there's content marketing. This strategy revolves around creating valuable content that attracts and retains an audience. It's not about hard selling. It's about providing something of value that subtly nudges the audience towards making a purchase. With content marketing, you can build a loyal following and then monetize that following through sponsored content, product placements, or affiliate marketing. Last but not least, there's email marketing. This strategy involves building an email list and sending out regular newsletters or promotional emails. It's a direct line of communication with your audience, and it's incredibly effective. You can use email marketing to promote your own products or services, or to promote products as an affiliate. Now here's the great part. You can offer your digital marketing skills as a service to businesses. You can become a digital marketing consultant, helping companies to navigate the online landscape and increase their visibility. Alternatively, you can use these skills to promote your own products or services, or to become a successful affiliate marketer. There's no one-size-fits-all strategy in digital marketing. It's about blending these different strategies, testing, and finding what works best for you. You need to be creative, analytical, and willing to learn and adapt. But with dedication and the right approach, the possibilities are endless. With the right skills and strategies, digital marketing can be a goldmine. It's a realm of opportunities that's just waiting for you to seize them. So are you ready to dig in and strike gold? Ever heard of dropshipping? It's another excellent way to make money online. Let's dive into the world of dropshipping, a business model where you, the retailer, don't stock the products you sell. Instead, when a customer places an order, you purchase the item from a third party and have it shipped directly to the customer. In essence, you're a middleman, connecting customers to products. So, how does dropshipping work? First, you need to find a niche. This is a specific product category or type of product that you're interested in selling. This could be anything from handmade soap to tech gadgets. The key is to find something that you're passionate about and that has a demand in the market. Next, you'll need to find a supplier. This is the company that manufactures and ships the product. There are many online platforms like Alibaba or Salehu where you can find suppliers for virtually any product. Remember to do your research and find a reliable supplier with positive reviews. Once you've found a niche and a supplier, it's time to set up your online store. There are plenty of e-commerce platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce that make this process simple. You'll list your products, set your prices, and create a website that's attractive and easy to navigate. Now, the final and perhaps most crucial step, marketing your products. After all, you could have the best products in the world, but if no one knows about them, you won't make a sale. Use social media, email marketing, SEO, and other digital marketing strategies to reach your target audience and drive traffic to your online store. The beauty of dropshipping is that it's low risk. You don't need to invest in inventory or worry about shipping and handling. All you need is a good product, a reliable supplier, and a strategy to market your store. So, there you have it. Dropshipping is a great way to dip your toes into the world of online selling. It's not without its challenges, but with some research, planning, and a little bit of hustle, it can be a lucrative way to make money online. Dropshipping allows you to earn from selling products without the need for inventory. If you're active on Facebook, why not turn that into a money-making opportunity? Yes, you heard it right. With over 2 billion users worldwide, Facebook is not just a platform to connect with friends and family, it's also a goldmine ripe for the picking. Let's dive in to discover how you can turn your Facebook activity into a steady stream of income. First up, we have fan subscriptions. This is a fantastic way for creators to generate a monthly recurring income. By offering exclusive content and perks to your subscribers, you can build a loyal community willing to pay for your unique content. However, to qualify for fan subscriptions, you need to meet certain criteria. You must have at least 10,000 followers or 250 return viewers, and your page must have been active for at least 30 days. Once you meet these criteria, you can set up your fan subscriptions through the monetization tab in your page settings. Next up, we have branded content. This is when you partner with a brand to create content that promotes their products or services. To qualify, you need to have at least 1,000 followers, and your page needs to have been active for 90 days. After meeting these requirements, you can tag the brand in your posts, and they pay you for the exposure. Finally, let's talk about ad breaks. This is essentially inserting ads into your videos. To qualify, you need to have at least 10,000 followers. Your videos must have garnered at least 30,000 one-minute views within the last 2 months, and your page must have been active for at least 90 days. Once you meet these criteria, you can start inserting ad breaks into your videos through the monetization tab in your page settings. Each of these monetization options has its own set of requirements, but don't let that discourage you. With a clear strategy and consistent effort, you can qualify and start earning. Remember, your social media browsing can now be more than just a pastime. So, are you ready to start your journey to making money online? We've explored the vast landscape of the digital world in this video and uncovered several paths to financial success, from YouTube monetization, where creativity and originality are rewarded, to digital marketing, where strategic thinking and understanding of consumer behavior can lead to impressive returns. We've also delved into the world of dropshipping, a business model that proves you don't have to stock a warehouse full of products to run a successful online store. And let's not forget about Facebook monetization, which leverages the power of social media to connect with a global audience and turn likes into profits. But remember, these aren't quick rich schemes. They require consistency, dedication, and a genuine desire to provide value to your audience. Patience is key. It might take a while to see the fruits of your labor, but don't get disheartened. You're building a foundation for your online business brick by brick, and the learning never stops. The digital world is ever evolving, and to stay ahead of the curve, you must be willing to adapt and learn. Invest in your skills, nurture your creativity, and stay curious. Remember, the internet offers endless opportunities, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content that can help you make the most out of it.